All right, today we got another Jaguar ignition lock here, another one with a problem. Let me see the paperwork real quick. This is going to be a '05. Nope, this is a '07 Jaguar XJ8. So, customer just mailed this in to us. It's about as far as it can go. Key looks fairly decent, so I'm not gonna have to. I'm not gonna have to cut another key. I'm just going to just rebuild this and fix whatever's going on the inside. That's about it. By the time the lock gets to this point, that means somebody's been dealing with this problem probably for a few weeks. They got it to work and then they forgot about it and the problem came back. Then it got more progressive to the point now where it's barely even turning. So, like I said, I'm going to take it apart, figure out what's wrong with it. More likely, I'm going to rebuild it, put new parts in it, and that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, this puppy's done. Just finished rebuilding it. Now, those of you that call me and say y'all having a problem finding someone, a couple reasons. One, the people in your area probably don't see a lot of these jobs. They don't have the training. So it wouldn't make sense for them to buy all the equipment that it takes to do these type of keys, to do the programming, to fix the locks, especially if you don't see the jobs. I mean, it don't make sense. If someone calls you once or twice a year, it doesn't make sense to go run out and spend a couple $1,000s or so to gear up to do it. It's just not logical. You'd be making your money back in five years or longer. But anyway, I've been fortunate enough to be in major cities, so I've seen a lot of these type of cars that use this key: XJs, S type, the X type, you know, XJs, different things. But that's about it. Let's get back to this. Aha! Remember earlier it wouldn't turn. Now this is acceptable. This little turn right here. What's happening is these little discs, they rotate. And they have a little notch. They rotate to a certain position. All of them, if you got the correct key, they all rotate. There's a steel bar. When they get that to that notch, it drops in and allows it to go the rest of the way. That's why some of y'all, when y'all get a pair of pliers on the lock and y'all try to force it, it ain't never going to happen because you're fighting a steel bar. So, actually, this lock has a really good switch because I could feel each one. Bing, start, bounce back, bang, bang. Out. So what I had to do on this, I replaced the parts that make contact with the key. So basically I rebuilt it. The best thing about rebuilding the locks is you stay on the same key for the car. Those of you that want to run out and buy some used locks on the internet, and here's a little problem with that plan. One, you're going to have a different key. I know some of y'all say, oh, I don't care if I have a different key. Yeah, you're going to start caring when when you take the remote off your key and put it on this key, doesn't work, and now you're stuck. You got locked out of the car. Or when you realize you put the lock in the car and you're all jumping up and down, you're all happy. Now the car don't start because now you got to have the new key programmed. So, yeah, I always recommend getting the locks rebuilt. Not only that, when you buy the used locks, you have no idea how long it's going to take. Remember, keyword, used lock. So you don't have no idea how long your locks are gonna last. It could last a few days, few weeks, few months, who knows? And before it starts showing issues of the reason why you replaced it in the first place. But just food for thought. Like I said, this has been rebuilt. You need my help, give me a call. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmith group. Keep in mind, I deal with the keys. So if you have other issues with your car, that's not what I do. I'm not a mechanic. I only deal with the keys. You might want to consult a mechanic. If you need to know how to fix your lock and stuff like that, I don't teach people how to fix their cars. I'm only a person that's available if you need me to fix your problem for you. As far as training someone, that's not what we do. You might want to consult the dealer. Maybe they got some classes for you to go learn whatever. But again, need my help, go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching.